It might be Vlogaday 925. Don't inhale.
Good morning. It's Sunday and I'm basically just taking the day off. I lay in bed for a really long time, which is really nice, just listening to the rain, which is incredible. And that's what I'm gonna leave you with, is just some delightful rain sounds and footage, just in case you need to relax a little bit yourself. But otherwise, I'm trying to take the day like off from everything. Just tune out, no work, no emails, nothing. Like, well, as close to nothing as I can get, which is pretty close. Not as close as it should be probably, but just letting myself chill, give my brain a little bit of space to relax. I'm already feeling like that desire to be more creative creeping back in as I take some time off. So it's a good thing, it's a healthy thing. I was watching some YouTube while I had lunch. I even ordered through Deliveroo for lunch because I was like, you know what? It's raining outside. I don't want to go out. I just want to stay in. I'm gonna wear my dad's sweatshirt and just chill. And that's what I'm doing. And it's gone really well so far. I'm really enjoying it for sure. So I hope that you're having a wonderful weekend wherever it is you are. I hope that you don't mind me taking a short day today, but I'm gonna be hitting the ground running this week. Lots of plans, lots of stuff to do. I'm really looking forward to it. So, hope you had a really chill weekend. Hope you're off to a great start to the week. I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning for, you know, a real working day back in Paris again after today's chill, rainy, cold, snuggly, warm day. Also, sad news, I broke my Gustav mug, so I'm drinking coffee out of a glass, which a lot of people do, but I always like having a mug. A mug is just so much comfier. Thankfully, I've got 2 mugs coming to replace it already that I ordered like a week ago. Just some fun stuff on the way that I think you've already seen all of it except for one thing that's on its way, unless you've been really observant, which some of you have been. But I'll talk about that later, because right now, I'm out. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, I was at least gonna go for a run, but it's a good thing I went for a 10K yesterday. Kept on top of my goal for the week in only 2 runs, just barely, I hope. I might not be going for a run today after all. Geez, it was raining really hard and then it turned into hail, and now it's turning back to rain, it looks like. Great. Anyways, that was a random aside. I was gonna be done vlogging, but I figured I'd at least share that much because, wow, hail. Anywho, yeah, like I said, see you tomorrow.